Remember, the last one that's still pushing up, they get to pick the gun. What's this?
Choose your fighter. Lightning inspired. Fight.
You can't touch the floor. Alright, you giving up on me? Alright, keep going. You got, hey, fix your back, man. Straighten your back up. There you go. Eric, you giving up on me, man? Come on. Alright. Noble's out. So you pick your gun last, man. Eric, if I see you hit that floor again, man, you done. Come on, fellas. Keep pushing. Eric, you giving up? You about to be done, man. Sam?
I'm not giving up.
You sure? All right, Eric's out. Martin's out. Nah, Martin, you done, man. You put your legs up. You done. Sam, you got it. Y'all can, you and Miles, keep going. See you win. Keep pushing, man. You cheating, Sam. Keep pushing.
I can't.
All right. Miles wanted to push up, man. Get up. Up.
Good job, Miles. He said no more.
Right. Look, that was the same eye he got hit in earlier. Same exact eye.
Put it right out.
Oh. Bang. Hold on, I think I'm jammed. Open that door, y'all cheating. Watch out, y'all, watch out.
It's me and you, son. How you want to do this?
Ah.
Cover me.
I told y'all stop pushing, right? Give Miles a little tail. Ow!
That's all right. I can throw a bullet at you.
Come on, Dutch. Noble got to be the most disrespectful. Whipping back here. Ah, reload. Gotcha. What y'all doing? What they doing? Gotcha. Hit. Bam. Pull your pants up, yeah.
Oh.
Yo, see. Yeah.
Give me some clip. I'm sorry.
Yo, man. Hey, you ain't in the safe zone. Stop complaining.
I ain't even know.
You better get one.
When I hit early in the eye, he's sitting there playing with the tongue.
That's all right. You can get hit.
You heard me say about the mom was like, I'm gonna hit my dad. He's sitting right there on the couch.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, that's what you think? Let me get his little tap right in his forehead. Should hit him right in his glasses.
Right in the neck, nigga.
Mm-hmm. Let him come up.
You hear him?
Mm-hmm. That's lower.
You probably shot me in the nose. What are y'all scared? Come on out, chickens. Well, then
You better throw some. Yeah. Oh, yeah?
That sounds like Eric. Work.
What y'all doing, man? Y'all ain't came out yet. There you go.
They always follow behind Miles. Miles on here. Hey, Miles. Hey, Miles. It's your birthday and you scared to come out here, man? Tell your friends up here scared you can't come on out. Well, then come on up then. Your mama.
Whenever y'all ready. I'm getting sleepy out here. Come on, where y'all at? Miles, you cheating, man. Put that bear back. Time out what? Time out what? Boy, you better get in the safe spot. If you want a timeout, you better get in the safe zone.
That's bone.
Huh?
That's bone.
Yo.
They ain't coming out.
Nigga, I can't run. I'm hurt, yo. All right, y'all. So that was the last bit of footage we had of that battle. The footage doesn't really show, but eventually the kids got the better part of it, man. You know, in the beginning we had a whole 200 box of darts. You know, we gave them a little bit to start off, and we were lighting them up in the beginning, but of course all the ammo we shot at them was sitting back there with them. So eventually, yeah, they came back to ambush us, got the better part of us. So me being on Qutz didn't help either, but you know, it was all good, man. We had a ball, man. I had a ball. Miles had a ball. You know, he was so happy to be able to have, at least one of his cousins and his friends over that he hadn't seen pretty much all year. And You know, we would have loved to have been able to have, you know, more of his cousins and, you know, some other friends and family over, but, you know, we had to keep it limited because of the pandemic and everything. So, I mean, it's all good. I mean, he had a ball. You know, we'll set up something eventually. You know, this was too fun for us not to have other people join in. So, either way, man, you know, I just want to tell everybody thanks for the well wishes for my son's birthday. And, you know, for the parents who watching, man, you know, y'all already know, man, y'all got a wonderful group of kids, man. You know, not just because I know y'all and I've known these kids since they were babies, but you know, like these kids, these are really some good kids, man. You know, and I'm okay with, you know, I trust that these are, you know, be good kids that, you know, they all grow up well together and turn out to really be something. So, but yeah, man. So this was my son's day. I appreciate everybody watching. Hit the link in the buttons, all that stuff, man. You know, if you want, if this was cool to you, you'll see little, you know, similar stuff like this over time. Appreciate y'all watching. Peace.